Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be taking a look at how you can take a look at your PayPal ID and what the steps are that you need to complete. So this is a very simple thing to do. Make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com. If you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. So in the main page, what you want to do is get started logging into your account. If you do not already have an account, what you want to do is go ahead and create a new one in the upper right corner. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. So by logging in, you can take a look at your PayPal balance. We have a recent activity right here. We have the option to receive, send money, and so on. And now we can get started. So what do we have to do if we want to take a look at our PayPal ID? Well, first things first, guys, you're going to need a business account. You do not have an ID if you just have a regular account for using PayPal. What you need is a merchant account and a business account. So once you have set up your business and merchant account, if you need help on how to set that up, you can find it on Google. You can go and set up your business account. Once you have set it up, you'll have a different homepage right here. You'll be able to access your business account. So here in the homepage is going to be an option that says my business account, merchant account. That's going to enable you to open up your account settings, and from your account settings you'll be able to take a look at your name and your PayPal ID. So in your account settings, once you become a merchant, you'll be able to take a look at your ID that you can send to people, that you can use for transactions, and so on. It's going to all be available from your settings, but first you need to set up the business account. Basically that's what you have to do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.